Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are gonna be doing a holiday get ready with me. Of course, ginawa natin to last year, so why not do it again this year? So if you guys are interested and if hindi nyo pa alam kung anong look or what makeup are you going for, ako din, but we'll see. We'll get there when we get there. To get started, I'm gonna be starting off with primer. So this one I'm using is by the brand L'Oreal. It's the True Match Blur Cream. I like using a primer because it smoothens out your face. It's like having a clear canvas before you start, painting on it or putting on makeup on your face. So I'm gonna be focusing on my T-zone. So I have my nose because that's the area where it, madaming oil. It's not my favorite primer kasi I don't really know what exactly to look for. The perfect primer, as long as it does as long as it does the job, then it's a good primer for me. After primer, I'm just gonna straight up use a foundation. This one is by L'Oreal again. It's the Infallible Pro Matte. How's everyone preparing for Christmas? Kami, usually my sister buys the gifts and then I help her gift wrap it. Just 2 days ago, 2 straight days, I helped her gift wrap gifts for her husband's family and also for our family. So feeling ko naman ako din yung bumili, but taga-wrap lang po ako. And then I also helped her with the cards. Those little things, pwede kami mag-bond. Why not? And grabe talaga yung Christmas shopping. Ang gastos talaga ng Christmas. But, it's not really you don't think of the price when you give. It's just the thought really of giving. And of course, Christmas is not just about the gifts. You also have to remember that the true meaning of Christmas is when we remember Christ, the birth of Christ, the sacrifices of Christ, He died on the cross, save us for our sins. That's the truth. What I like about this foundation is buildable din siya. It's demi-matte finish, semi-matte finish, airlight, and oil-free. My skin combination is oily. My skin combination is oily. Asan yung combination? My skin is oily to combination type. So, yon. Now, we're done with foundation. The next step is, I like to put on my concealer and then just let it stay there for a few seconds before I spread it out. So, my concealer, this is my second tube. This one is by Maybelline. It's their Fit Me Concealer. And I really, really like this. It's not super heavy on under your eyes. At the same time, it gives a perfect amount of coverage. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Focus. There you go. So I'm just gonna let that sit for mga ilang seconds kasi I watched or I read it somewhere na it works better if you let it sit for a little while, para lang the product warms up to your skin or to your face. So while that's sitting there, I wanna proceed with my eyes. So really, I don't have any pegs for this makeup look, but since I got a new palette from my sister, this is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collaboration, and when I saw the shades, guys, ang ganda niya. Well, anything na peachy, I'm a sucker for that. Copper tone, peachy, so ganda! So I think I'm gonna be using Alert and Bomb Ass. So this is Alert. I'm gonna be using this, and I really love first Bomb Ass. Bomb Ass. It's like a reddish, close to reddish. And this one is medyo dark brownish red. Hindi na naman ako Let's see kung may description yung color. Wala. So, to start off, gusto ko lang mag-base muna. So, I will zoom you closer to my eyes. Laki ng mukha ko. So, let's do this. So, I'm taking the lightest shade first as my base. And then, I am going in with Alert. Alert, alert. I'm using a flat brush. I'm going in with Glowboss. Para akong sinapak. But we'll fix that. We'll do this thing with the other eye. And yeah. Then we are going back with my concealer. Or we are going with my brows. Just to tie up, you know, this wildness with my eyes. I've talked about this in my other videos. It's the Caroline Best Brow. The Caroline Best Brow Liner. Better than basic. So I'm gonna be using two products for that. One, Everbilena Sculpt and Strobe Stick. And then the other one is, of course, the Sunnies You Do You. So let's contour my huge face. Let that sit for a while, and while that's chilling there, we are using the Sunniesface. Maganda siya. So look. Yan. And that's it. And now we are ready to blend all these craziness on my face. So taking my sculpting face brush. This one is by e.l.f. I really like e.l.f. brushes, aside from the fact that they're black, they look so sleek, they're also very affordable. If you don't want to buy the MAC ones or yung mahal. But actually, I ordered a couple of brushes from Shopee nung 12/12. Sobrang sulit, but again, hindi umabot sa Christmas. So I'm just gonna wait for it the next year. Wala, ma-share ko lang. Let's blend! So, public interruption. Dumating na si Sizzy. We're gonna blend it again. So, blend. Blending the highlights. Ooh, Promise Dian Oil. That's the highlight. Wow, in fair. Pak. Grabe, oh. That thing. That's the Glowboss eyeliner. So this one is from Majolica Majorca. Is it just me, or pag naga-eyeliner kayo, you get it perfectly on your right eye? Pag papantayin niyo na siya sa left eye niyo, wala lang. So now we are gonna curl our lashes. So I'm gonna be using the Lash Slick. So this is by Glossier. Last but not the least, lipstick. The Hot Sauce Fluff Matte. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just want to say Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Follow me in my social media accounts and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!